Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we want to talk about something very important. In the event that you just recently replaced your outlet receptacle, prior to plugging in any of your valuable electronics, you want to make sure that you properly test the outlet and verify that you did not cross-wire it during the reinstallation of the new outlet. And to do that, you have to have one of these outlet testers. So let's head to the outlet and take a look. Back at the receptacle, and this is an extremely important step. Prior to plugging in anything to this outlet, grab an outlet tester, and you can buy these for less than $5 at any of your local home improvement stores. So let's go ahead and plug it in. And as you can see, the middle light and the right light are lit up and the left light is out. And right down at the bottom, as you can see here, that is the correct sequence that you want to see. White meaning the light is off, and the two yellow in the middle and the right indicating that these lights are supposed to be lit up. Let's also test the top outlet. And again, as you can see here, the circuit is properly set. It is now safe to plug in any item to the actual outlet. And as the example we used earlier, the phone is charging. And now I will unplug it. And as you can see, it is not charging. And just by plugging it into the bottom, it is charging once again. As far as the old receptacle, in the event that it still worked, which ours did, we might save it for future use. That's it. I hope the video helped. Hey, do us a huge favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notifications, because once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again.